Sketch a possible graph of a polynomial function with the following characteristics. A local minimum at 4, 5. 4, 5 is 4 to the right of the origin and 5 above the x-axis. Put a point at 4, 5. Since it's a local minimum, that's the lowest point in the area, I'm going to make sure that both sides around that point are greater than that. That covers the first characteristic we need to have. Second characteristic, a local maximum of 1, negative 4. If we plot the point 1, negative 4, 1 to the right, 4 down, there is the point 1, negative 4, and that's a local maximum. That is the highest point in the area, so make it the highest point in the area. Second characteristic done. Third characteristic, 3 zeros. Here's where lots of options come in. I'll graph a few in some different colors so you can see what they can be. Key is making sure we connect our minimum and our maximum. So we will connect those. And doing that gives us 1, 0. Now we need 2 more zeros. We could easily just turn both the local maximum and the local minimum around, giving us opposite end behaviors, one going down, one going right. And we should have opposite end behaviors because there's an odd number of zeros. Other options, we could keep that going up, still connect our maximum and our minimum, and then just have a second local maximum. Those are just 2 options. There is an infinite number of possibilities here as long as you meet the 3 different characteristics.